Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. 26 is almost half. We only have 6 months left in our hand. And it's not even a late. अगर आप चाहें तो आप इन 6 months में भी अपनी लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. That's what I have decided and I will love to share my journey with you all. So first of all, you have to write down जो आपने गोल स्टार्टिंग में डिसाइड किए थे जनवरी में कि हम इस साल ये करेंगे and we have tons of list of that. Same, I have done that too. But कुछ चीज़ें हुई हैं, कुछ नहीं हुई हैं. So it's best time that we recall what we have decided, and the best thing is write down on the paper. Since I am a zoology student, I love to make things easy. And in bio, we have learned that make diagrams for a tougher question, make classifications. So same thing I've done with my life. What I've done, whatever goals I've decided, I've classified.
The first goal is to be highly educated, then healthy body, career, skincare, and hair
Makes
care.
easy and clear in my mind that okay, I have to achieve these things in these six a whole big goal and divide it into small chunks or small goals. It will be easy to accomplish instead of thinking about a big goal. So I have further classified these big goals into sub categories or sub steps. So
By highly educated, I mean to have knowledge in food and Ayurveda, in communication, in finance, in current
नोटिस द
affairs.
पैटर्न, ये सब हमें स्कूल कॉलेजेस में नहीं सिखाया जाता, ना हमें कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में सिखाते हैं, ना ये हमें फूड एंड आयुर्वेदा के बारे में सिखाते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ अ हाई टाइम कि हमें हमारे फूड के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. व्हाट सूट्स माय बॉडी, व्हाट डजंट सूट्स माय बॉडी, व्हाट इज़ द प्रकृति ऑफ माय बॉडी, व्हाट इज़ suiting my body, how can I make my personal diet for that. So it's better to get knowledge about your food, and that's what I wanted. Second thing, I want to learn about finance, how savings work, how stock market works, how what is ETF, what is mutual fund. These are the basics which everyone should know before, even before earning money. Next, current affairs. You should know what's going on in the world, what's happening in the world, what's happening in our city, what's happening everywhere. Like you should be updated. Next, communication. Oh my God, how can I emphasize how important it is? Because communication is important everywhere, whether it's professional world, whether it's your personal relationship, anything. Communication is the key. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आप कहना कुछ और चाहते हैं, सामने वाला समझता कुछ और है, and blunder happens. So it's better that you should know how to communicate properly, how to use appropriate words at different places.
Next goal, that's healthy body. And healthy body means a perfect body and a perfect mind.
And by perfect, I means every day I'm working on it. Every day I'm doing a workout. Every day I'm thinking positive things about myself. So a healthy body doesn't mean you are in shape and you have clutter in your mind. You have to be very clear, and especially for women's, we have so much hormone imbalance. So why you have to add more by having so much weight on your mind? Like if you're a overthinker, it messes up with your hormones. So it's better stay focused, stay positive, and have a very good relationship with your
Next on my list is my career. I have so many exams in this year and I have to prepare for that. But one thing that I have added is be expert in your subject.
And with current education system, I think जनरल कैटेगरी इतना कट ऑफ जा रहा है. इट्स वेरी टफ टू क्रैक एग्जाम. इवन क्रैक, इफ यू हैव क्रैक द एग्जाम, results are getting delayed, interviews are getting delayed. So in this scenario, if you have to feel motivated and if you want to have the best, be expert in a subject. Because आप जनरली किसी भी चीज़ के लिए जाते हैं तो क्या करते हैं, ऐसे ही बोलते हैं ना कि एक्सपर्ट से पूछते हैं या एक्सपर्ट को बुलाओ, वो काम अच्छे से करता है. सो हैव expertise in your subject is the best thing. Invest in your subject, invest in
Next on my goal is a healthy skin. When you eat healthy, it reflects on your skin. But you have to take extra care because nowadays a lot of things are going, like red light mask therapy and so much injections and all. So I decided that I want glow that I can continue doing till my death, a skincare routine that I can do easily, that's not so fuzzy, that's not so tough. So I kept it very simple. पहले तो आप वो प्रोडक्ट्स सेलेक्ट कीजिए जो आपको सूट करते हैं. फॉर मी इट्स कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन एंड आई स्विच माई समर स्किन केयर एंड विंटर स्किन केयर. मेरे दो अलग अलग स्किन केयर्स हैं. समर में अलग प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करती हूँ, विंटर में अलग प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करती हूँ, एंड दे बोथ सूट्स मी वेल. नाउ इसके अलावा मैं जो करती हूँ दैट इज़ फेस मसाज एंड फेस पैक्स. आई religiously believe in this, that natural products are the best for your skin. For combination skin, multani mitti and basin are vardhan. So these are like elixir for your skin. I use face pack weekly. I face massage daily at night before sleeping. In summers, I do of aloe vera gel, and in winters, I prefer oil, face oil. One thing I will love to add is we take care of our hair, we take care of our face, but we sometimes neglect our body. So I've started one more section, that is body care. And in that, I prefer doing dry brushing, body massage, and which is also called abhyang in Ayurveda, and it's great because of daily uh, muscle wear and tear. It's great to massage your full body. Okay, and weekly body polishing. By body polishing means at home body polishing by any kind of whatever you apply on your face, apply on full body, like masoor dal face pack, or so make it for your full body, and a basin face pack, so make it for your full body, so your body can also get similar to your face and it feels कि भाई मुझे neglect नहीं कराया जा रहा है. Next I have hair care, and for hair care I prefer hair oiling and hair mask. जितना भी स्कैम है मार्केट में, लाइक दिस पर्टिकुलर शैम्पू इज़ वेरी गुड और दिस पर्टिकुलर कंडीशनर इज़ वेरी गुड, इट्स अ स्कैम. Our hairs are dead cells. Okay, it's only living over here. ये जो है ये dead cell है, तो आप मरी हुई चीज़ को कैसे जिंदा करोगे यार? मतलब कितना भी कुछ लगा लोगे, it's only on the outer side, but inner side if you want, you have to oil your scalp. So prepare. In summers we face a lot of ह्यूमिडिटी, एंड ये जो चिपचिप वाला मौसम होता है ना, इसमें यू नीड टू क्लेंस योर स्कैल्प वेरी वेल. For that you can use in summer, what I do, I add neem oil in my neem oil or neem leaves for massaging on my scalp with the coconut oil, so it helps to cleanse my scalp. Second, I recently did this thing, add coffee in your oil and scrub जैसा काम करता है ये. मतलब you massage in your scalp, it scrubs your scalp and help to refresh it. Next you can do is hair pack. These are wonderful. You can easily use natural homemade hair packs. One of my favorites are aloe vera hair pack. Just cut aloe vera leaves and take out the all pulp, grind it and sieve it. Why sieve it? वो जो thin रेशे होते हैं वो बाल में चिपक जाते हैं. They easily don't get wash off. So for a better look, you can sieve that pulp and then apply. So different hair pack works differently. So for if you want shine, you have to apply aloe vera. If you want to soften your hair, or you want soft supple hairs, you have to apply dahi and honey. It works wonders. You can also apply banana face pack, it also works great. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will love to know that whether it's a good idea to classify your goals like this, and if any of you did this or it is helping you, I will love to know your thoughts on this. And
So let's get started to transform your life in these remaining 6 months. All the best to you all, and I have decided to transform. Let's meet a new version by the end of this year. Thank you so much. And if you find this video helpful, I would love if you all subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.